Welcome back to my morning report on Friday, the 27th of November, with me, Rich Perrin, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Moving on to dollar yen now, and we've still got this prospective top pattern in place on dollar yen that I spoke about yesterday, 122.20. The key reaction though that we saw mid-November. Pressure on that support is coming, and we're still seeing in the last couple of days really the downside move, the strengthening yen. Interesting that we're seeing all these momentum indicators continue to fall away. RSI continues to fall away at 3-week low. Stochastics quite sharply in the negative move now, and MACD lines also having bearishly crossed. So the prospect of this top pattern is still in place, and if there is a sort of a close below that 22.20, I think it's sort of coming back, maybe even towards that 50% retracement, as I said. Fibonacci level, as I said the other day. Initial support 2170, which was the, if I zoom out here, which was the reaction high here, sort of range highs really, 2170, which is starting, which would be the old resistance that becomes new support. So there is a sort of a band of support between 21 sort of figure area up towards 2170, so something to watch out for. But it certainly looks as though it is sort of increasingly possible that we could get this completed top pattern. Here we go on the hourly chart. You can see that moving averages are all falling away. Not negative on the momentum yet, interestingly enough. So the hourly momentum is not negative. RSI just buzzing between 30 and 70 really consistently. So you've not got the confirmation on the hourly chart that top is going to break down. Say for example you saw the hourly RSI falling below 30, then I would say that that would probably give you an indication that maybe you're starting to see the market putting that pressure under that support under pressure. But it seems as though there is also a basis of resistance at 2270. You can see here that old support sort of becomes a new basis of resistance, just slightly broken to the upside here, but certainly now in the last sort of couple of days, 2270 has become basis of resistance. So that is an area you could start to look out for. Obviously, we've also got the old lows from yesterday around 2250 area as well. So sort of 20 pips of resistance there, 2250 towards 2270, and then up towards obviously 2293, which is that reaction high on Wednesday. But at the moment, we are still seeing this sort of yen strengthening against the dollar, very slightly, nothing too significant yet, but 2220 is obviously that key near-term support, which is still intact. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.